Welcome back to another episode of Current Affairs MCQs. Staying updated with current affairs is essential for success in any competitive exam. Let's discuss today's questions on recent happenings around the world. Consider the following with reference to the National Payments Corporation of India, NPCI. 1. NPCI developed the Unified Payments Interface, UPI, a real-time payment system. 2. NPCI has partnered with African countries like Namibia and Ghana to develop instant payment systems. 3. NPCI operates as a government-owned regulatory body for all digital payments in India. 4. NPCI's systems are proprietary and do not support open-source technology. How many of the above are not correct? A. Only 1. B. Only 2. C. Only 3. D. All 4. Answer: B. 3 and 4 only. Statement 1 is correct. UPI enables instant fund transfers between bank accounts using mobile phones, anytime, anywhere. Statement 2 is correct. NPCI shares its payment technology expertise to help African countries build fast and secure payment systems. Namibia and Ghana are adopting UPI-like systems to improve transaction efficiency and financial inclusion. Statement 3 is incorrect. NPCI is a not-for-profit organization established by Indian banks, not a government agency. Statement 4 is incorrect. NPCI promotes open and interoperable digital payment platforms designed to be scalable and accessible. Consider the following with reference to fifth-generation fighter aircraft J-35. 1. The J-35 is developed by United States as a stealth multi-role fighter. 2. It is equipped with advanced avionics and can perform both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. 3. The J-35 has entered full-scale production and is currently deployed in large numbers by. Answer: A. 2 only. Statement 1 is incorrect. The J-35, also known as the Shenyang FC-31, is developed by China's Shenyang Aircraft Corporation. It is part of China's effort to develop advanced fifth-generation fighters to compete globally. Statement 2 is correct. The J-35 is designed with stealth features, advanced radar, and avionics systems that allow it to perform multiple roles, including air superiority, air-to-air combat, and strike missions, air-to-ground. This multi-role capability is typical of fifth-generation fighters. Statement 3 is incorrect. The J-35 is still under development and testing phases by China and has not been adopted or produced by the U.S. Air Force.